Hi everyone and welcome. This is the kickoff meeting for the 12.7. My name is Dov Hershkovitz and I am the Senior Product Manager for the APM team. And this is the planning issue, and before we'll go over the issues, I want to emphasize that the goal of the 12.7 release is to move login into viable. So any log related work that may end up remaining from 12.6 will supersede all of those issues that we see here. I expect at least one or two issues will move from 12.6 to 12.7. So let's start. First issue, add the time filter to the log view. So the log explorer, we would need to add the time filter. So this is this box here. Second issue also about the log explorer, this is to add the ability to drill down into a specific time frame. This is linked to our triage to minimal epic. Next is this is the front-end issue, to create a button to duplicate the common metric dashboard here. The next one is to add a link for the edit custom metric directly from the chart. Today, in order to edit the custom metric, you need to go to integration setting, Prometheus, and select the metric you want to edit. We want to allow users to link directly from the metric chart to that page. So we'll save them the navigation. Next is to add a drop-down box for the metric on the environment tab as we create our environment tab and add the ability to display different metrics. This issue describes the way we will add the drop-down to select that metric. A follow-up issue on that is to have a tooltip once we are hovering over the pod, so we can display the value of that metric. The next issue is finalize the dropdown that we have on the metric chart and add a searchable dropdown. You can see in the mock here. The next one, straightforward, add the support for the stack column chart. This is a link to edit custom metric directly from the chart. This issue, we want to allow the user to search for multi-environment. Today, the dropdown is not searchable and users can have dozens, hundreds of different environments. In this issue, we want to allow our user to set up alert on an empty chart. Today, when the chart is empty and for some reason you don't receive data, the add more button does not appear. So we want to allow the users to create an alert even if data is not being displayed on the chart. The next one is to support the auto-scaling of units on our chart. So the chart would look nice when we present them. And the last and final issue, this is how to handle the empty statement for no data, timeout, connection failure, and configuration requirement. So obviously we'll iterate on that. We will start with no data, then we'll move to timeout, connection failure, and configuration requirement. The engineers decided that it's better to keep it in a single issue and break it into multiple MRs. But if we will think that we need to break it into multiple issues, we will end up doing that. That's it. If you have any question, reach out to me. Thank you.